So tell me, you are welcome to this channel. New like where we used to teach ourselves what we can easily use our hand to do for the benefit of ourselves and our family. If you are watching this channel for the first time, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like, comment, and share it among your family and friends. Or you have any question for any of our video, ask at the down of the video. We will respond to you. Or you would like to chat with us or ask any question on our WhatsApp number 0703468225. Those are our WhatsApp number. That's our WhatsApp number. Or 08152888101. It's part of our WhatsApp number. For your question, contact us. There's no problem. But we respond to any of your question. Many people have been respond. And also due to one work I posted last, I think it's last post, that they should bait it with walnut leaf. So, and for other question, it's also you will bait it. Don't bait it inside if you can't go to the river to bait it. So for those who did not see walnut leaf, if you cannot get walnut leaf, or if it's dry one you get, use it. But if you cannot get it, and you can use your sponge. So God will answer our prayer. What is most important for us? Let me drop this work. It's also similar work. Evil hand, any evil hand, anybody, all the evil mark in our body. So let me call it awenu. So it will clean you up for any evil agenda, evil mark in your body. If you have any bad dream, baiting it. You will be baiting it every night. So if you have any attacks, spiritual attack, anything, bait it is spiritual. How are we going to do it? Please kindly listen attentively for it, because you are going to benefit a lot from this work. If you wanted to do this work, I call it awenu. Any evil mark, any evil agenda, any evil spirit in your life, you will bait it. Or any evil cause, any enemy cause in your life, use it to bait. Just be baiting it in the night, every night, by God's grace. Before you bait it for 2 weeks, you will be glorify God for your way. If you are encounter bad luck in your way, bait it. If you didn't have breakthrough in your way, bait it. For anything that you know is not, your life is not going smoothly, bait it. How are we going to get one bat? One bat. So that one bat, when you get it, put it inside. Let me put it this way: put it inside mortar for you to grind. Put it. That's first. There's one bed they call. It's a small bed. They call it eye ombe. The appealing bed. So they call it eye ombe. Put it there with it. After you put it there with it, pound those two things very well. When you pound it very well, you will buy a cock, a cockerel. You will need the flour on the head of that cockerel. It's only that flour you need. So you may hit the cockerel by yourself, or if possible for you to go to this Ogun shrine, tell them that you need the cockerel at the head of the cockerel they use. That the flour. So the flour at the end of that, that's ogbeori akuko. So that flour at the end of the cockerel is what you need. You call it ogbeori akuko. That's you just call the only cockerel, the head of that, the flour on that head of cockerel. After you kill this cockerel, you just call what you just need is that flour at the head of that cockerel. Put it inside what you grind it together with it. Do you understand what I'm saying? The dry bat, put it there. Put it inside mortar. You can use grind stone also if you want to grind it too. But I was just saying it for easier way. Put the complete bat. Put it there. There was one forgiveness bed. That's eye ombe. Put it there with it, and that flour at the head of the cockerel. The cockerel that has bold. Though the cockerel, the flour at the head of the cockerel. So we also cut the flour alone, put it there, and pound it very well. It means that you will be the head of your enemy wherever they were. So when you pound everything together very well, you will pound it very well. You will now pour soap of your choice. You pound the soap with it very well too. When you pound the soap with it, you now take perfume, any perfume of your choice. It may be 7, it may be 7. Add a little of that perfume to it. just pour a little of that perfume tea, pound it very very well, mix it well with that perfume very well. After that, pack it inside plastic, white plastic, pack it. It depend on how that size is, depend on the size of it. When you pack it, just put it down for 20, keep it for 24 hours. After 24 hours, be bathing it in the night. By God grace, all the evil mark, all the evil agenda, all the evil plan, you have a bad dream, bait it, anything. Before you sleep, you have been encounter a bad something in your body, bait it. Anything that you know is you have in luck life, bait it. You have on breakthrough life, bait it every night of your choice. So when you bait it very very well, by God grace, you will know that there is a sign that you have been getting freedom in what you encounter in your life. Go and bait it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like, comment and share it among your family and friends. By God grace, you will not regret use this work. And don't forget, if you have any question for us, or you have any question that you want to ask at the end of your question. By God grace, all my fans in Maryland, I appreciate everybody. I will do all your work and send it to you. All and UK, I will respond to all your questions. Any question that all your remaining work, I'm working on it, I'm doing it. So all my uncle in Canada, I really appreciate you time to time. Thank you very very much. I don't want to be mentioning them again. That's the reason why some people don't like the way I'm mentioning them. So it's not by hungry, but they just want to be. So that's why but there's no way I will be appreciating all those who are in South East and South, those who are in Nigeria, in Yoruba land here, those who are in Dublin, those who are in Dubai and South Africa people. I appreciate everybody. My baby girl in South Africa, I always appreciate. I always call her my baby girl. So I thank you very very much for your stand by me always. For people that want to chat with me on WhatsApp number 07034683225, you are welcome. Ẹ káàsán, ẹ kú dídí àsìkò gbogbo kí jẹ́ tí ń wò wá, ojú tẹ fi ń wò ní fọpọlọ yóò ní dọ́bà. Adúpẹ́ púpọ̀ lórí comment àti ìbéèrè tá a rí lórí iṣẹ́ tó kọjá lọ, iṣẹ́ tá a pè ní yíyọ ọwọ́ kọ́wọ́ kúrò lára, tí a pè ní evil mark, that's the clearness of evil mark. So adúpẹ́ lórí gbogbo àwọn tó pè wá tó dẹ̀ béèrè àwọn ìbéèrè kọ̀ọ̀kan àti ìtàlẹ̀ ìdáná. Ẹ mọ̀ dájú pé ìtàlẹ̀ tí máa wọ iṣẹ́ yẹn, ìtànkẹ́ tí máa wẹ̀ tẹ́ ẹ bá ti lè lọ wẹ̀ lódò, ìtànkẹ́ tí máa wẹ̀ lágbára Ọlọ́run á ní fọ́ ara wa ṣe ra wa o. That is one. Ẹlẹ́ẹ̀kejì ni pé ewé awùsá tí adékẹ́ fi máa wẹ̀ alákọ̀ọ́kọ́, ẹlẹ́ẹ̀kejì, ẹlẹ́ẹ̀kẹta yẹn, àwọn kan ní pé gbígbẹ làwọn rí. Tó bá jẹ́ gbígbẹ náà, Ọlọ́run ló làdúrà àti ṣíṣe. Ẹ fi gbígbẹ náà wẹ̀, kò sí, Ọlọ́run ló ní ṣíṣe. Nǹkan tẹ́ fẹ́ ṣe lẹ́ ti ṣe yẹn, kọ́lọ́run náà ṣe. Tó bá lè jẹ́ pé ẹ rí àwọn kan láwọn ti gbìyànjú títí àwọn òrì àwọn lè ti ṣiṣẹ́ yẹn, ẹ ló kankan yín náà, ẹ gbàdúrà kẹlu kankan yín lágbára Ọlọ́run ló ń wẹ̀ nǹkan dànù. Gbogbo má kàrà yín pẹ̀lú ìgbàgbọ́ tẹ́ fi ṣe. Bíbélì ní tẹ́ ẹ bá ní ìgbàgbọ́ bí kóró mustadi, ẹ̀yin ó sọ pé kí òkè kó sídìí. Ní agbọ́dọ̀ gbogbo ẹ̀yin kẹ́yin tẹ́ ẹ ti ṣe gbogbo ẹ̀kọ́ tá ló máa bá lára mu. Àwọn ò ní nǹkan mí ju Ọlọ́run ọba lọ. Gbogbo ohun tá a ṣe Ọlọ́run ọba ló ń fàṣẹ sí. Láti la fi sọ pé gbogbo ewé àti egbò tẹ́rì yẹn Ọlọ́run ló fàṣẹ sí. Èèyàn kan béèrè pé tí wọ́n bá ti, èèyàn kan tákù pé tó bá ti yá, tí wọ́n bá ti gba Jésù kò yẹ kí èèyàn máa ṣe gbogbo. Mo ní ṣé Jésù pa ohun àtijọ́ rẹ ni àbí ó wá láti fi kún? Ẹ gba Jésù kò ní pé kẹ́ ẹ má ṣe àwọn nǹkan tó máa tú yín sílẹ̀. Àwọn àgbàlagbà ní wèrè la fi wo wèrè. Àìjẹ́ ò mọ̀ pé Jésù kan wà kó tó bá tèèyàn kan jẹ́ o. Ẹ̀yin náà fi ti Késárì ẹ fún Késárì. Wọ́n dá Jésù ohun gbogbo ọ̀nà kan náà. Jésù jẹ́ pé ẹ fi nǹkan tó jẹ́ ti Késárì Késárì, ìyẹn ní kò dígbàgbọ́ yín lọ́wọ́. Mi ní kẹ́ ẹ lọ túbọ̀, mi ní kẹ́ ẹ lọ ṣe ètùtù kankan. Ẹ ṣe àwọn nǹkan tó máa tú ilé ayé sílẹ̀. Olórin kan ló sọ, ó ní mi ò lóògùn ṣùgbọ́n mo ní kí wọ́n bà tèmi jẹ́. Ẹ̀yin náà ayé ò ní bà tiwa jẹ́ o. Lẹ́yìn ẹ jẹ́ ká tó sáyé fi iṣẹ́ ilé, iṣẹ́ ìwẹ̀ jẹ́ iṣẹ́ awẹ́bí wèpè, iṣẹ́ awẹ́bí dànù. Ó wẹ wọ́kọ́wọ́, ó wẹ àmìkámì, gbogbo ẹni tó bá ti ní ìdádúró lẹ́nu nǹkan kan tàbí kejì, ẹ lọ ṣiṣẹ́ yìí. Báwo la ṣe máa ṣe? Ẹ lọ wá ẹyẹ àdán tó pé dáadáa kan. Ẹ lọ wá ẹyẹ àdán tó pé dáadáa kan, ẹyẹ àdán. Ẹyẹ kan bẹ̀tẹ̀ ejù sínú odó tẹ̀tìlẹ̀ gún nǹkan tàbí kẹ́ ejù sójú ọlọ tó wá jọ́ lọlẹ̀ yìí fẹ́ lò. Bọ̀ àwa wò pé kẹ́ ẹ lodó kó lè gbá dáadáa. Tó bá jẹ́ pé tẹ́ bá ti wá ju ẹyẹ àdán rẹ̀ sínú ọlọ, ẹyẹ kan bẹ̀tẹ̀ ń pè ní ẹyẹ òǹbẹ̀. Ẹyẹ òǹbẹ̀. Ẹ ju ẹyẹ òǹbẹ̀ yẹn náà sí inú odó pẹ̀lú ẹ̀. Ẹ gún dáadáa. Ẹ wá máa lọ wá ògbé orí àkùkọ. Ògbé orí àkùkọ. Ẹ lè pa adìẹ kẹ́ ẹ jẹ́ ṣùgbọ́n ògbé orí ẹ̀ nìkan lè ra ní ìkàrà gé ògbé orí ẹ̀ yẹn kẹ́ ẹ jù sí kẹ́ ẹ gún mọ́. Tí ó bá tún wá ṣeéṣe, àwọn tó bá lè rí àkùkọ tó ti fi bọ Ògún, àkùkọ tó fi ti bọ Ògún, ẹni kan bẹ́ẹ̀ ń gẹ̀ẹ́tì ògbé orí àkùkọ tó fi bọ Ògún. Tó tó bá jẹ́ pé ó ṣe é ṣe kì í ṣe dandan kó jẹ́ ògbéró àkùkọ tó fi bọ̀ ògùn o ògbéró àkùkọ tó ti kìbọ̀ ní tó ti kìbọ̀ dé ògùn ẹ lè yọ tó bá jẹ́ pé ìyẹn ṣe é ṣe bọ̀ tí ò bá ṣe é ṣe ẹ mú ògbéró àkùkọ ẹ pa ara àkùkọ adìyẹ bóyá 2000 àbí 3000 ẹ pa ẹ jẹ fúnra yín ẹ lè jẹ ṣùgbọ́n ògbéró ẹ ra gé ògbéró kẹ jù sí kẹ gún mọ́ dáadáa tẹ bá ti gún mọ́ dáadáa tẹ bá ti gún gbogbo nǹkan mẹ́tẹ̀ẹ̀ta yẹn pọ̀ àdán tó dáa àgbọn tó pé àdán ẹyẹ àdán tó gbígbẹ tó pé dáadáa ẹyẹ òǹbẹ odidi tó pé dáadáa kékeré báyìí ni kẹdẹ wá fi ògbéró àkùkọ yẹn náà kẹ wá gún dáadáa tẹ bá ti gún dáadáa kẹ wá ojú ọṣẹ tó bá wù yín sí ẹ gún ọṣẹ yẹn mọ́ dáadáa tẹ bá ti gún mọ́ tó ṣe dáadáa ẹ wá mú pẹfúmù tó wù ìbá ṣe 77 ìbá ṣe ọ̀nàlà ìbá ṣe grace ìbá ṣe miss paris ẹ tú pẹfúmù níwọ̀n bá sí kó lè ṣe lò ẹ wá pò pọ̀ tẹ bá ti pò pọ̀ tẹ pò pẹfúmù yẹn mọ́ dáadáa ẹ wá kó sínú ike funfun tẹ bá ti kó sínú ẹgbẹ́ pamọ́ fún odidi ọjọ́ kan lẹ́yìn ọjọ́ kan ọlọ́run ọba alágbára kíkà ẹ máa fi wẹ̀ lálálẹ́ ẹ máa fi wẹ̀ inú ilé yín ni ẹ máa fi wẹ̀ lálálẹ́ tẹ bá ti ń wẹ̀ ẹ̀yin gan máa rí àtìkẹ́ tó wẹ̀ fọ́sọ́ mi ẹ máa gbàdúrà tẹ bá ti ń wẹ̀ fún gbogbo àmì kámi kúrò lára yín ẹ lọ́ máa gbìyànjú ẹ̀ kò jẹ́ fún owó ní fọpọ̀ lórí lọ lẹ́yìn bá ṣe ń darapọ̀ mọ́ wa lórí ìkànnì yẹn má gbàgbé àti bá a subscribe ẹ bá a share káàkiri àwọn family and friend yín lágbára ọlọ́run tó ń gbọ́ ìdìrí tó ń gbọ́ àdúrà yín gbogbo àwọn tó ń lò ó náà lágbára ọlọ́run ọba tó ní ewé àtògbò tó ní gbogbo àṣẹ lọ́wọ́ a máa fàṣẹ sí fún a máa jẹ́ bidán fún a máa jẹ́ dáadáa a máa jẹ́ níjẹ iná kò ní jẹ́ níjẹ ọ̀run torí pé wọ́n ní pé tí iná bá sun iṣu àsunjẹni tí òòrùn bá sun àsundànù ni lágbára ẹ nínáwó fò ẹ nínáwó àdánù ẹ nínáwó ìbànújẹ́ lórí ọmọ lórí ẹbí lórí ara àtẹmí náà lágbára ọlọ́run kankan á dà fún un lágbára ìdílé yóò ní dàrú ìdílé tèmi ò ní dàrú ayé yóò ní polúkú ṣùgbọ́n tí ò bá lówó lọ ayé polúkú musu ni ayé yóò polúkú ayé tèmi ò ní polúkú ẹ lọ́ máa gbìyànjú ẹ má bá a share ẹ má bá a subscribe ẹ ṣe púpọ̀.